Water and sewer lines. Water is the only utility we ingest, therefore quality is extremely important. And the water we consume typically comes from lakes, rivers, and underground aquifers. In order for water to be safe for consumption, it must be treated to EPA Safe Drinking Water standards. After treatment, potable water is delivered to customers via pipes ranging in size from 3/4 of an inch to 120 inches in diameter. Non-potable water is also distributed for irrigation or industrial uses. Water lines can vary in material types from ductile iron, cast iron, steel, PVC, and other types of plastic, asbestos cement, pre-stressed concrete, and copper. Digging in and around water facilities. Water lines are under pressure, on average from 50 psi to several hundred psi, depending on the area of the state due to elevation differences. Damaging a water line may cause a loss of pressure, resulting in serious water quality issues. This drop in pressure from the damage can cause dirt, debris, or other harmful contaminants to enter the water system. Contaminated water or low system pressure can lead to a public boil water notice. High priority customers such as schools, hospitals, dialysis, and industrial facilities could experience major issues and lead to closures, evacuations, loss of revenue, and potential loss of life. Even non-priority customers can be dramatically affected by a water outage. Damage to a water line can also cause issues with providing fire protection to communities. No access to pressurized water will limit the ability firefighters have when combating a fire. Just like with any other buried utility, if you make contact with a water line, it could lead to issues down the road, such as leaks at joints, service connections, meters, or fire hydrants. Even a scrape down the side of a pipe will weaken that area and will eventually lead to a pipe failure. If a damage occurs, no matter how large or small, you must report the damage to the facility owner directly and North Carolina 811 as required by the Underground Utility Safety and Damage Prevention Act. There are typically two types of sewer systems. Gravity systems are where the sewer flows by gravity and are non-pressurized. You also have pressurized pipe systems such as force mains and pressurized sanitary sewer. The wastewater is collected in these pipes and flows into the sewer treatment plant for processing before it is released back into a river, stream, or other body of water. It also must meet strict EPA Clean Water Act standards before it is released back into the environment. Sewer lines, like water lines, can vary in material types from ductile iron, cast iron, PVC, concrete, polyethylene, terracotta, and high-density polyethylene. Sewer pipes can range in size from 2 inches to 96 inches in diameter. Damaging a gravity or pressurized sanitary sewer main could lead to sewer overflows, resulting in public notifications such as a press release, in addition, regulatory fines and environmental impacts such as killing marine life and no swim advisories. Water lines will be located using blue paint or flags. Sewer lines and storm sewers are marked in green. When you contact 811, all public water and sewer lines will be located. Privately owned lines will only be located by contacting a private line locator. Private water and sewer lines are normally the length of the line from the meter or cleanout to the business or residence. Dig with care around the located area, be aware of the tolerance zone, and use potholing best practices.